How to delete Outlook account permanently. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing great, so let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up your web browser and tap on the search bar. Now search for Outlook. Now open up the first website. Now tap on sign in. Now tap on the three lines and go to settings. Now go to account and tap on view account. Now scroll down a bit and tap on close account. Now tap on continue. Now tap on continue with closing your account. Again click on continue with closing account. Now tap on close your account below. Now tap on next. Now select any region. Now click all the options and tap on mark account for closure. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question, want to suggest a topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.